Okay. So to find out the Ez, I'm taking the transfer magnetic mode. So in transfer magnetic mode, Az component is 0, already I told. So this is the basic equation from Maxwell wave equation. So dou square Ez by dou x square plus dou square Ez by dou y square plus h square Ez is equal to 0. So from this, so to find out this, I'm using the variables and separable method for solving this differential equation. I'm taking Ez is equal to x into y. So where x is function of only x and y is function of only y. Now see, so dou square Ez by dou x square. So Ez I am taking x into y, xy. So dou square of xy by dou x square. So where, so x is function of only x. That's why, so y is constant in terms of x. Now y into dou square of x by dou x square. In the same manner, so in terms of y, x is constant. So x into, so dou square of y by dou y square, right? Now substituting these two equations, so in this above equation. So these three, so Ez and dou square x by dou x square, sorry, dou square is dou x square and dou square Ez by dou y square, I'm substituting in this equation. So now this equation becomes, so y into dou square x by dou x square plus x into dou square y by dou y square plus h square into where Ez is equal to x into y. I'm substituting this. Now this first equation becomes like this. Now I'm dividing it x by x into y. So now it is 1 by x into dou square x by dou x square plus 1 by y into dou square x by dou y square plus h square is equal to 0. Now I'm taking, so 1 by y, dou square x by x square is equal to minus b square, and this I'm taking the minus y square. I'm substituting these two things and this also in this equation. Now in place of this, I'm writing minus a square. In place of this, I'm writing minus b square plus h square is equal to 0. So from this, I'm writing h square is equal to a square plus b square. So the solution of the above differential equation we can take. So x component is equal to c1 cos of bx plus c2 sin bx, and y is equal to c3 cos of ay plus c4 sin of ay. Now we need to find out the four components. So c1, c2, c3 and c4, which can be evaluated by applying the boundary conditions. We need to apply the boundary conditions. So what we have, Ez is equal to x into y. This is the x, this is the x, and this is the y, right? So I'm substituting in place of x. So c1 cos bx plus c2 sin bx. In place of y, I'm substituting, so c3 cos ay plus c4 sin ay. So now Ez is become like this. Now what is the boundary conditions we are going to apply here? So boundary conditions we can see. So in width direction, in x direction, so at origin or at point x is equal to a. In x direction, this is the x is equal to 0 or this is x is equal to a. So there is no Ez component. The boundaries, so in x direction and y x direction you can take. So for y is equal to 0, so you can take this also, y is equal to 0. So Ez is equal to 0. At boundaries also, Ez is equal to 0. So based on that concept, the first boundary condition I am taking, so Ez is equal to 0 for y is equal to 0. And so in between, so 0 and a. That means at boundaries, so Ez is equal to 0. I am substituting Ez value. So this value is in the above equation. This equation 1.29. So now, so for y is equal to 0, now see, so y is equal to 0 here. So y is equal to 0, this cos 0 is equal to 1. Now I have the C3 component here. I'm substituting x is equal to 0. X is equal to 0. So cos 0, we have the C1 plus, so C2 sin bx, and this is C3 C3. So this is 1 cos y is equal to 0 1. So here y is equal to 0. So sin 0 is 0. Now there is no C4 component. So we have this one only. This is also 1. This is also 1. Now, so C1 plus C2 sin Bx into C3. So C1, sorry, we are substituting only. So y is equal to 0. So put x is a constant. So now here, so C1 cos x Vx plus C2 sin Bx. I'm taking only y is equal to 0. So y is equal to 0. This is the cos 0 is 1. C3 sin 0 is 0. This is eliminated. Now this is, so C1 cos Bx plus C2 sin Bx into C3. So here this x is a time varying component. So this product is 0 means, so C3 must be 0. Okay. So from this we can say C3 is equal to 0. First boundary condition. So we can say, so C3 is equal to 0. We can put C3 is equal to 0 in the above equation, and this term is eliminated. This term is eliminated. Now we can have only, so C1 cos Bx, C2 sin Bx into, so C4 sin Y. Now second boundary condition. So at x is equal to 0, so Ez is equal to 0. Now substituting this equation. So x is equal to 0 means, so cos 0 is 0. Now we have the C1. So sin 0 is 0. So this is eliminated. And so C4 sin into Ay. C4 sin into Ay. Now see, so this is the time varying. So here you can put 0 here. This is 0. So this is time varying means, so C1 must be 0. So now for first boundary condition C3 is 0. So second boundary condition, so C1 is 0. Now substitute the C1 is 0 in this equation. So C1 is 0. This also eliminated. I have Ez is, so C2 sin Bx, so C4 sin Ay. C2 sin Bx, C4 sin Ay. Now you can, for the third boundary condition. See, boundary conditions means here, origin. Origin means x is equal to 0, Ez is equal to 0. So x is equal to, y is equal to 0, Ez is equal to 0, this point. Now coming to this point, here also x is equal to a, Ez is equal to 0. So y is equal to b, Ez is equal to 0. So four boundary conditions. X is equal to 0, x is equal to a, y is equal to 0, y is equal to b. These four boundary points, so Ez is equal to 0. That is the concept, right? So now third boundary condition. So for y is equal to b, Ez is equal to 0. Substituting this in this above equation, so 0 is equal to C2 sin Bx. So sin Bx, so sin A into B. Already earlier you can see, so C2 is not equal to 0, so C4 is not equal to 0. So this is a time varying component up to this. If you want to, the total term is 0, this should be 0. This product should be 0. The product 0, what is the, so product should be 0 means, so this is 0. Now sin of AB is equal to 0. Now sin of AB is 0, when it will be 0? Now AB is into n pi, now A is equal to n into pi by b. So A is equal to n into pi by b. Now substitute in this equation, we can write Ez is equal to, so C2 C4 sin of Bx into sin. So in place of A, I am writing n pi by b into y. What is the fourth boundary condition? Now fourth boundary condition is, so Ez is equal to 0 at x is equal to a. So now substitute. So in this case, so 0 is equal to C2 C4. So sin of Ba, sin of n pi by b into y. So C2 C4 not equal to 0. So this also time varying. So only this term should be 0 to get the product 0. This should be 0. Now sin of Ba is equal to 0. Now Ba is equal to, this is m pi, not n. You can write m here. This is m. Okay. Now B is equal to M. This is also M. M into, so some constant M. I'm taking M here. So M into pi by E. Now you can see, right? In place of B, I'm writing M pi by A. In place of A, capital A, I'm writing N pi by B. Now Ez is equal to C2 C4 sine of M pi by A and sine of N pi by B into Y. I'm taking C2 C4 is equal to constant C. Now this is the expression for C of sine N pi by A into X sine N pi by B into Y. Now you can say it is a time varying field. So you can add this e power j omega t minus gamma into Z, that you can add for that. Now this is the expression for the electric field component in, so Ez component in, so Tm mode. Ez component in Tm mode. Right? So I will share these notes to you people. So please go through it. So once again we will discuss on next class. It's very, very important. It's very, very important. You may get questions from this. Okay.